Porn? Sounds like a porn.
Yeah, porno. I watch porno.
Pronate the hand and flex the elbow 90 degrees to demonstrate the radial head. It's 90 degrees for radial head, and it's 80 degrees. It's 80 degrees for the coronoid. Okay? And then you're going to, for the radial head, you're going to angle 45 degrees toward the shoulder. Okay?
So that's
The central ray enters the joint at mid-elbow. This is the to see the radial head Coyle method.
Should we have her elbow a little more centered to the phone?
yeah.
Yeah. And she's 90 degrees for the radial head, not,
Radial head.
not 80.
90 degrees.
Okay.
Quit on my spelling.
And actually your central ray is probably more over here at the elbow. Everybody got that?
That's for the radial one.
The radial head
So
Coyle
the radial
method.
is toward and 90 degrees.
Arm is 90 degrees. The central ray is 45 degrees towards the shoulder.
And then the coronoid will be 80 and 45 away.
80 and 45 away. So what that's going to look like with your
Isn't 80
tube,
more in?
Well, from the shoulder now.
not from the shoulder.
Because it's 90 degrees from the humerus.
So this is 90.
Oh, 80 would be mine.
What
Because
do
this is a more obtuse angle.
You're
Yeah.
right. 80 is less.
Yeah.
So if this is 90,
Okay.
then this should be 80.
I'm very confused.
I know, I understand what
job.
you're saying, but I can't think of how I'd...
80 is out. See, 80 degrees is from,
So is that straight? 80 this way.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, not 80 this way.
this is 90, this is 80.
And saying that this is 0.
Yes.
Saying that that's
Oh,
instead of coming.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
This would be 110.
Gotcha.
This
Okay.
is the 110.
I was picturing it
Or whatever.
from, like,
I'm trying to
here.
think. You're right.
Other than that, I'm not going to look at this picture because to look at this and
Yeah,
do this is very confusing.
Close it. Look away. Cover your eyes.
Okay, so the coronoid process, central ray enters at mid elbow. Same thing, it's just going away from the shoulder. About 45, and the tube will actually come back behind the patient, so you might have to move her. We'll move you.
A little slower.
My button was on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can get off
Let's hop
now.
off the end of that.
Okay, 80 degrees with the arm, 45-degree angle away from the shoulder. And then you would column 8, obviously.
The coronoid process.
And that's for the coronoid process.
It's a process.
Process.
Got it?
Sure.